Whiskey and barbecue. Shelf modification, take one.
It'll work. So, Aiden had a clacker. We were making fun of it, and we did it. All right. Hi, I'm Ryan. That's Evan. So, I love Weber kettles. 22-inch Weber kettles sometimes don't have enough room.
You love Weber kettles?
I do. I mean, we're not
Yeah,
gonna.
look at that.
Yeah. At least they're all out here. Yeah, we're gonna go with that.
Okay.
So,
I'm gonna let you take that and get the boy.
okay. So, we've had questions about, I forget what cook we did, but we had a riser. We did it with the pizza and we did it with something else. And we've had a couple people ask us how to do that. And basically what it is, it's a 3-inch riser that makes it to where you can put a pan of something underneath your cooking grate and have more stuff on top of the cooking grate for a 22-inch kettle. So we're gonna build. Parts list, you're gonna need 3/8 bolt. This is coarse thread, it's a carriage bolt. It has the, see if I can show it. It has this square edge. This is good because it catches in between the cooking grates and it makes it to where it doesn't spin. You want them about 3 inches long. My local orange box only had 4-inch, so we had to cut them down. You're gonna need 3 nuts per, so same size nut, regular coarse thread nut, washers. Now the washers, you have to get a larger size than your carriage bolt. So this carriage bolt is 5/8 inches, 3/8 inches, 3/8 inches. And this is a 1/2 inch washer because what you want it to do is you want it to slide over that square portion and seat all the way down against the cooking grate. It'll make sense in a second when we put it together. Oh. We're building one of these, but Evan happened, so we're building another one. And this is for my 26, so we're gonna build one for a 22. Whenever you're building these, the cooking grate that you need is the cooking grate for the next kettle smaller. So if you're doing this for a 26, you use a 22-inch grate. If you're doing it for 22, you use an 18-inch grate. If you got an 18, you get one little Weber Smoky Mountain grates. I think they're like 15. Now, whenever you're doing this, place your bolt. And these are a little bit wider than what I did this against, but you want the bolt flush against it. Drop 2 washers. One will do it. What you want to do is the little lip that's, if you're using a carriage bolt, the lip that's by the head of the bolt, you want to make sure your washer or your nut tightens everything down without that getting in the way. So sometimes you just trial and error. Take your nut, run it on. You have to kind of hold everything straight while you're doing this. Then just take a wrench, tighten it down. Now, last part. These little decorative cover end cap bolts. These. I like using these because the rounded portion of them will kind of sit on a grate, but it doesn't necessarily fall through. It works well with expanded metal. It works well with some other stuff too. So, screw that on the end.
Boy, that is a good looking grate you got there.
Yeah, I told him it was yours.
Sure is nice.
Yep.
Real nice.
All right, so Aiden, I don't know what you're gonna do. Fast forward, whatever. I'm gonna finish putting the last couple of these things on. All right. Hope y'all enjoyed that little carnival show. So now you have a riser. Hope y'all enjoyed it. I think Neville asked us to do this too. Is it Neville?
He's across the pond.
He is across the pond.
He speaks his mind.
He does.
Or texts his mind.
I think Neville asked about it.
Or texts
I'll have to
his
double
mind.
check. All right. Until next time, enjoy shop class. Learn to learn.